Sudan is one of the major peanut producing countries. The crop is grown under rain-fed in West Sudan sand soil, and then it was introduced in irrigated schemes for production of oil crop and as a rotation crop for improving soil fertility. Sudan exporting about 14% of the world's peanuts production back in the days. In the last couple of years, the export decreased due to the quality of crop and volume, which didn't meet with the international specifications.
3 years ago, we had a meetings back in the United States. This have nothing to do with agricultural business and peanut business, moreover related to oil and gas business. During that meetings and during a coffee break, I had the discussions with Linda Whiteley. Back in the days, she was the vice president for Mars M&Ms. She was telling me that back in the days till the 80s, late 80s, that some of the American companies, they used to buy peanuts from Sudan due to the quality and the yield. So after that, I tried to do my homework and search for that, but I found it's not any longer due to decrease in the yield, decrease in the quality.
Intensive meetings were held for the possibility of cultivation and production of peanuts by using agricultural latest technologies in all stages of production. These meetings carried by our strategic partner KMC, the pioneer name worldwide for the peanut harvesting and tillage, offers a wide range of products and solutions. In addition to the technical team led by Dr. Kim Moore, a pioneer in the development and cultivation of peanuts in the world, which he worked on developing in the United States, Argentina, Nicaragua, Australia, China, South Africa, and now Sudan. Visits to all peanuts production areas in Western, Central, and Northern Sudan in order to stand on the status of production and exchange ideas and opinions to determine the type of technology and where and how it's implemented, which is the ongoing works until now. The cultivation was carried out with the seed planter, accurate seed rate. The distances between rows and plants were adjusted along with a modern irrigation system. Follow-up and consultation on every note that occurred on the crop with extreme accuracy and following all the recommendations of the experts. The 7 types with the preferential features that were chosen from the 54 different varieties to suit different environments for growing peanuts in different regions were chosen based on information gathered from all areas of the groundnut in Sudan. For the past 10 years, which included temperatures, humidity levels, soil check, wind speed, and duration of daily solar radiation.
We were lucky to choose varieties with high oleic, and this is a completely different from the ordinary peanuts found in the world. And we call this a peanut revolution, where the varieties are characterized by a high percentage of oleic acids, which helps along the period of preservation and extend the shelf life 2 to 10 times, as it's healthy and all report indicates that. We are now, according to information and studies that have been done in the United States and in the other parts of the world as well, as talking about 81% are available in peanuts with high oleic, compared to 77% for olive oil and 54% for ordinary peanuts. We brought these varieties and they were cultivated in Sudan using agricultural technologies from land preparation, fertilizers, planting, digging, and harvesting.
The full mechanization first time in Sudan was used in the harvest, starting with the digger shaker, which works at a depth of the roots, and then collecting the 2 rows in a row with free moving vectors and digging 50 acres per shift. Then the combine harvester, which performs several operations at once, is to pull the crop and thresh it, and then collecting it in an attached basket, and then unload it in the places designed for discharge, and it works efficiently 40 acres per shift. Because of the need of the Sudanese farmers for the hay, Food Specialty International decided after discussion with the KMC to provide a special device to allow the combine to collect the hay in a certain row to make it easier to the baler, in a way that the baler can collect and compress it for the animals to benefit from it later. And this is an add value for the land and income, which is the first time ever happened. Sudan is the same as all countries in the world in development of the oil industry that started with animal-drawn presses until it reaches the factories that works in the latest technologies. We hope that the oil industry development will continue in bringing the latest technologies that will help with the peanuts revolution happening now in Sudan. A season full of works, experiences, and technologies. We hope that Sudan will benefit from them to return again to occupy its previous position in production of peanuts by adding quality, through supplying the global market with high oleic peanuts to become one of the top rank in this field.
وقلنا بعد ما كملنا مثلث بتاع انه النو هاو عندك والمثلث راسه الثاني اللي هو المعدات محتاجين كانت تقاوي. عندنا يس لوكال فرايتيز موجوده متوفره لكن اساسيه. فيبقى يعني انا افتكر الفاكتور الكبير جدا في اننا احنا يعني نرجع توري بروسيس الوضع بتاعنا كسودان اننا ننتج كواليتي مع سعر.
Selection for the variety that is most suited for Sudan in yield and quality characteristics. We're going to continue to bring advanced machinery and finally and ultimately help in the development of the markets and international markets for exporting the final product.